In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a direct debit from your Revolut account. This is a handy trick to know, especially if you want to manage your finances more effectively and avoid any unwanted deductions. So let's dive right into it. First off, you're going to need to open up the Revolut mobile app. Ensure you're running the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Once you have the app open, you'll be inside the main dashboard where you can see a comprehensive overview of your finances. From this screen, you'll want to tap on the See All option. It's typically found within the section displaying your recent transactions or account activities, so keep an eye out for it. Tapping on See All gives you a broader view of your account details, including pending transactions and upcoming payments. Next, you're going to locate the option labeled Upcoming. This is the section where all your scheduled transactions reside: direct debits, recurring payments, and any other future payments. Clicking on Upcoming will provide a list of these transactions. Now, this is where you'll find the direct debit you intend to remove. Look through the list and find the specific direct debit that you no longer wish to keep active. Once you've identified the right direct debit, go ahead and click on it. This will open up more detailed information about that particular debit, showing you past transactions related to it and any other relevant details. As a best practice, always double-check all the transactions associated with the direct debit. This ensures you're not inadvertently deleting the wrong one, which could potentially affect connected services or subscriptions. Now that you're certain about the decision, look for the Delete option. Tapping on Delete will prompt a confirmation request. This is a precautionary step to make sure that you're absolutely sure about removing the debit. Click on Delete again to finalize the process. And there you have it. The direct debit is successfully removed from your Revolut account. It's a straightforward process, but double-checking each step helps prevent any mistakes. Make a habit of reviewing your direct debits regularly so that your financial commitments are always aligned with your current objectives. As simple as this walkthrough is, it empowers you to take full control of your financial dealings, making sure that only the direct debits you need are active. Remember, maintaining control over your transactions is essential for financial health, and with these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your Revolut account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.